Oh, got the old crusty body off the Bronco. She's in rough shape. Man, this thing's covered in mud. Got a little bit of work to do. Some body mounts need repaired. Thing needs cleaned up. I think our next order of business, get these big tires off. Throw something on that actually holds air. Get it outside, pressure wash it so we can get this motor trans pulled. We'll get it in on jack stands, pull the axles and springs, and get the frame ready to get sandblasted. Go from there. Got her all cleaned up. Ready to pull it apart. Frame's actually in a lot better shape than I was expecting for something that's been a mud truck for a lot of years.